We're recording.
Hi, I'm Ella,
Hello, I'm Caesar.
and today we are making water fountains.
Ooh.
Ooh. Okay. So, your first step is going to be to cut a hole in your water bottle about halfway up, about right here. And okay, and then after you've done that, make sure to put your straw into it. Put your straw into that hole. And it should be facing up like this. Awesome, Caesar's got it. Okay, Caesar, do you want to say the next step?
Yeah, next you're gonna put the balloon over the top of the water.
Mm-hmm. And if you want to color your water, you can, but you don't have to. But yeah, okay. So I'm gonna blow up my balloon. Okay. And then a fun tip, you can twist your balloon and then place it over the water bottle. And that'll make it easier to place it over.
Then we can get a, where do I want with the water spill? Let's do it over here.
Okay.
Oh, geez.
And if you want, you could also place a bowl underneath the straw just so that it doesn't get everywhere.
Yeah, that's what just happened to me.
Oh no. Okay. Wait, I want to set it up, but okay. Hopefully I can show you guys. Here. Okay, and I'm gonna let mine go. Ready? Wait. Set. Go. Oh, come on, balloon.
Oh, there we go.
Oh. And you can do that over and over again, or try to see how high up you can make the water go. And yeah.
Right.
Caesar, did you do yours?
Yeah, mine spilled all over my desk, but it was cool.
Oh. Okay, and that's what we got for this week. So thanks for coming.
Bye.